Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can generate text to a design feature in a CapCut web version. All you have to do now, you can open CapCut.com and don't forget to sign in with your account or try to register if this is your first time. So here, this is the start page. You can click on Magic Tools and try to find Create with AI, and this is text to design. Create your own design with words or image. Click it. Now here you can start with a blank canvas or drag or drop a file here. So this is a prompt. So describe your needs or what's your main purpose for the design, and disclaimer, so you can generate in here. For example, you can describe a like anti or waterproof sneaker, and you can choose this prompt like a product, new arrival. Then let's try the clothing and shoes and click generate. With the process, generating templates may take some time, and here we go. This is the template, so you can choose what templates that suit you. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.